Hi everyone, welcome once again to my page. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this awesome Ghanaian Bofrot or Nigerian puff recipe I really want to share with you. So let's get into this video. So we're going to start by adding about 2 cups of warm water. I'm going to add a half cup of almond milk, or you can use regular milk if that is what you preferred. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. Next, I'm going to add my sweetener, and I'm using agave brew sweetener, or you can use honey as well. Next, I'm going to add here my vanilla extract. I'll be adding salt, and I'm adding olive oil. So go ahead and stir it really well and get your flour ready. So we're going to be using the all-purpose flour. I'll be adding about 3 cups. Like I said, I'm going to add some twist, so I'm going to be adding almond flour as well. So I'm going to add about 2 cups of almond flour. I'm going to add my nutmeg and go ahead and mix everything together. Guys, if you have not tried almond puff recipe before, give this a try. So after you're done, cover it, and then we're going to leave it to sit out for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, it's going to double in size like that. Just like that. It looks perfect, okay? Make sure that you get rid of all the air in it and then get ready to fry it. So I'm going to be using coconut oil, guys. Yes, or you can use avocado oil as well. And I really like this scoop, so I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop. I'm going to show you like 2 versions. One's using like ice cream scoop and other one using my hand. I really like the idea of using ice cream scoop because it's easy to do it, less messy, and also of course it's going to come out the same size, you know what I mean? So an ideal world, I'm going to recommend that you guys use this scoop for your puff, you know, especially if you're making it to sell. Or in the other hand, also you can try if you are used to using your hand. It's okay, it's just up to you. So this is how it looks like. Everything looks so nice. I like the outcome of this puff. You can definitely tell that it is done. I wish you can smell that coconut oil, guys. It smells so nice. Alright guys, I just want to thank you so much for liking and sharing my video. If you have made it this far, I just want to say thank you for your love and support. So this is ready. On the other hand, I'm going to show you how to use your hands, you know, to make your puff. So like I said, it's up to you, you know, you can use the scoop or your hand, you know, whichever way is easier for you. But with me, I prefer using the scoop because it's less messy and it is very easy. And of course the sizes are going to come out the same, you know. Yeah, so we are almost done with our puff recipe. You know, I like adding the almonds because it kind of gives it a little healthy, you know, alternatives, you know, when making puff. But if you prefer the old version, you know, you don't have to add the almonds. And when you deep fry them in coconut oil can take a high heat compared to, you know, vegetable oil, which is very bad for your heart. So don't use vegetable oils or canola oil when it comes to deep frying food. The best alternative for you guys to use is coconut oil, or you can use avocado oil. Guys, trust me, you will never regret it. It is not toxic and it can take the heat, so that is very recommended for you guys if you're making fried food. Alright guys, so this is done. Look at how beautiful this recipe came out. I want you guys to try this recipe at home. And also guys, I like how light this puff is. You can eat as much as you want and still not feel too heavy, you know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay safe and have a blessed weekend.